Hello, everyone. I want to explain two words that have the same pronunciation, but these two words are different in spelling and in meaning. Break, break. The first word is BRAKE. My car has a brake. Every year, I take my car to the mechanic shop to check the brake. The other word is BREAK. At 7:50 p.m., my class gets a break. Again, these two words have the same pronunciation, but they are different. Break, break. The first word is BRAKE. The other word is BREAK. Have a great night. Bye bye.